Okay, so technically not so much prediction, but just a reading of, how everything's going. It feels like 2026, we are not going to see the lower exciting mortgage rates that I think people were hoping for. It's going to be better than the highs that we saw in 2025, but unfortunately, it feels like rates are going to hover around 6%. They might drop a little bit below. They might, stay in that, low 6% range, but that's kind of where they're going to persist. Okay, so even if we end up with, a different, Federal Reserve chair, a lot of the other, Fed presidents who are hanging around are all pretty conservative. And so the expectation is that they're not going to be looking at significant rate reductions. Okay, so what does that mean? Okay, so that means that, yeah, it's going to ease a little bit, but it's definitely, not going to be those salad days of, 2, 3, 4%. So these elevated sort of rates are still going to continue to put some pressure on household budgets, not going to lie, which is always a thing for a first-time home buyer, right? So whether or not you choose to delay your purchase or rent a little bit longer, my advice to you is don't necessarily let the rates stop your life, because I don't know that I think these rates are going to be significantly different over the next, 3 to 5 years. Okay. Once again, nothing is pointing to significant rate drops. So if you keep putting it off, you're just going to keep putting it off, and affordability is going to get away from you. Okay.